Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kashmira and I'm here with a brand new episode of Bottle Art. And in today's video, we are going to make something with this green colored bottle. When it comes to painting a glass bottle, I love using acrylic paints. But in this video, I'm going to use multi-surface paints. They have lovely shades in the multi-surface paints, and I'm going to use this shade which is also very lovely. So I'm using flat brush number 4 and see carefully how exactly I'm using this flat brush. I'm trying to create floral pattern here. Try this different technique of using flat brush in totally different way. And if you are not comfortable in using flat brush in that particular way, then just go ahead with the round brush number 8 or 10. And guys, this is our third video of the giveaway. If you are new to my channel and you are watching my videos for the first time, I would love to share the giveaway structure with you. Please check the description and I button. I'll put the link in the description plus an I button. Click on the link, watch that video and you will get to know everything about the giveaway. So coming back to this video, create this floral pattern all over the bottle. I really like these multi-surface paints because A, these are really good in finishing. You don't need to use varnish on it. B, quick drying. And C, it gives a satin finish. And one more thing, you can directly use these multi-surface paints. So we are done with the pattern. Now I am going to use this marker. This is metallic marker and you can see the details here. I bought this from Itsy Bitsy Craft Store's website. I will provide the link in the description box. Use my code Kashmira5 to get 5% extra off. So before actually using these kind of markers, you have to shake it at least for some time, like 30 to 40 seconds, and then just press this nib on a rough paper. Follow this procedure every time when you are using this kind of markers. So now by using these white marker, which is really very good, we will draw the flower on it like this. this is how it is looking. Isn't it looking pretty? Let me know in the comment section. So now this portion is done. The upper portion of the bottle is looking like something is missing there. So I'm gonna use these two macrame threads, and to stick these macrame threads I'm going to use this silicone glue. If you don't have that, you can use Fevibond. Only one round of white and one round of that lavender shade, and this is the final look. There is no need to use any varnish on it because it's already looking like it's a finished product. And I put lights in it and see how it's looking with lights on. So guys, if you like this technique and this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I will upload any video. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.